This is our demo on blockchain and the NetObjex platform. Here we have a demo of a service level agreement for a digital asset that is enforced using the NetObjex platform. So here we have an example of a website xyz.com, and there's a HTTP agent which is monitoring the site. Now we'll simulate some errors and some uptime and downtime on the site. And whenever there's a downtime based on the service level agreement, those downtime records get written into the blockchain. So initially, let's imagine that the site shows a HTTP 200, which is uptime. Now that gets shown on the screen, but not recorded in the blockchain. Now what happens is it shows the status as up. Now I'm going to introduce a HTTP 400 event, which is a 404, which is a downtime, and HTTP 500 later on will show as a server error. So whenever there's downtime, there is a transaction created. This transaction, if you wanted to see the full extent of the transaction, you'll see this here, where just keep in mind the block hash and the block number. Now, how do we know for a fact that this is being written into the blockchain? In order to show that, let's go to the UI for a monitoring tool that shows the blockchain. Now, and as it shows, the block number is 596, and the block hash starts with 5FCF and so on. If we go back to our screen here, we see that it's 596, 5FCF and so on. So this is an example of how a record gets written into the blockchain. Now let's do one more example to see that the time where the event occurs. Just note this red area here as I do this next step. I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to push the server back up to the up state, and again now this time simulate a HTTP 500, which is a server error. When we do this, you'll see that the server is down. The block hash starts with 3A, 8A, and the block number is 598. Now, if we were to go to our Ethereum network status, it shows that the event happened 15 seconds ago, which is roughly when I clicked it, 388A and 598. So this is how we are able to write into a blockchain through our platform and then have things monitored. The same technology could be used in a number of different occurrences using blockchain and the NetObjex IoT platform. Thank you.